My name is Jason Sutherlin. I am an account manager for our logistics division. I've been here 3 years and almost 3 months. JCT's been around for decades, and we've spent decades building our reputation and our loyalty with our customers, and I'm just trying to pass that along and keep up the brand that we've built of our loyalty for our customers. I feel that my role, particularly as account manager, is very important for the bridge, as in the bridge, the gap between our JCT customers and JCT. You know, I've worked for Fortune 300 companies. I've worked for a very small mom and pop company, and for how big we are, we still have that small feel. Just walking in every day into Fort Worth, there's graffiti on the wall, there's music playing. You can always lean on the person that's next to you. We've just built a culture and environment here that you can get up, you can talk to anybody. You get out what you put into it. We're looking for those people that they want to be here, they want to care, they want to be in an environment that their work doesn't go unnoticed. So the people that want to hustle, put forth an effort, have a smile on their face, they're always going to have a place on our team here, and there's always going to be room for opportunity for them.